So this is the electrode holder, welding electrode holder I invented. It holds my electrode here, and then my chipping hammer goes here, as well as my welding brush. So it's portable. I just made use of an alligator clip, a big one, and then I welded a piece of pipe here on a platform and then screwed the platform in place. So it's very easy to place it anywhere. Supposing you have to weld somewhere here, just place it here. Place my welding rod there, and then my chipping hammer here, as well as my welding brush. So let's go to my welding table. So this is my small welding table. I can easily place it here. So instead of placing my welding rod here, it might accidentally touch my welding table. It might spark. And instead of placing it on the floor to be out of the way, I just place it here. So there's no danger of sparking. There's no danger of sparking because the welding rod is pointed far away from the welding table. So don't place it like this. It might accidentally hit the welding table, the rod. So you place it in such a way that the angle of the welding rod is far from the welding table. And then I just place my chipping hammer here. So I just place my chipping hammer there. After chipping the slug, welding slug, I just place it here so that I won't misplace it, because sometimes if I'm welding a big piece, I usually misplace this and it gets hidden somewhere. So I also put the welding brush over here. After brushing the welding slug, we just place it here. So there. So weld. Then after that, just hang it here. It's safe because the rod is pointed there. And then get my brush, my chipping hammer, and then I chip off the welding slug, then brush off the debris, then place it back here. And then continue to weld. Psst, psst, psst. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.